Well, this is pretty exciting, guys. I just got today some mail from Canada. I live in the EU, so getting mail from Sparrows, very exciting thing. So let's open it up and see what we got. Packing slip, put that to the side. Cool, first thing, a little case here. All right, so a little Sparrows case. I'm gonna put some bump keys in this case. That's what I got it for. Feels nice, it's sturdy. Uh, yeah, it's really nice. Perfect for what I need. Um, I actually have a few more of these coming. I just ordered one in this order, realized that I needed one or two more, so that will be coming in my next package from Sparrows. Great. Next thing. Oh, this is the big one. This is what I've been really looking forward to. Basically, I ordered most of their their Monstrum picks. Um, So I didn't need the case and all that stuff, but ordered, I think, almost all of the picks, maybe all the picks, probably all the picks in that set. So let's see what I've got here. Oh yeah, these are going to be the Monstrum picks. Always really like the way these thermal plastic plasti dipped handles feel. Never have plasti dipped anything myself. Maybe I should try it someday, but the feel is just so nice. Interesting pick shape here. Really interested to try that one in particular. Yeah, interesting. These cool profile. Anyway, you guys probably know most of these picks. I'll check these out a little later. The Octo Rake. Really cool design. Laser etched. This laser etching is really cool. I really like that. Neat. Unlike some of the other picks, like this is the monkey paw, kind of dark background. This one's a little bit lighter. If you can see them side by side, lighter pick. Cool. I already have a spot just waiting right here in my case for that Octo. And the Sandman. Really cool pick. Huh. I never noticed this about the Sandman before. It's got this little thing here. I wonder what that's all about. I'll have to find out what that's for, and that's just I wasn't expecting that. That's unusual, so I'm looking forward to figuring that out. Great. Let's also put that right here. So all of their talk tensioners, I got the whole set of them, and I also even got what they call their heavy bars here. So really every thickness they make. This is really nice. The knurling on this, I didn't expect that. It's got such a nice feel to hold. Just it's very going to prevent any slipping. Yeah, I really wonder how that will feel for feedback. So that's interesting. Really nice there. Yeah, can't wait to try these out as well. Let's put these, where should I put these? I'm going to put these over here for now, along with the heavy bars. These these really are heavy. Like you can feel feel the weight of these. Let's see if you see here. Where can I get to focus? Looks like it needs a little cleanup. I see just a little, I don't know what it is, piece of flashing in here, not completely gone. And it's really stuck in there. So uh, there it goes. So yeah, pretty nice. Awesome. What else do we have in here? Anything? All right. And Sparrows, thank you. Always sending a little extra. Some stickers. I really like their stickers. Some really cool stickers. I've got some cases I can put these on. Uh, nice. Well, I'm a fan of Sparrow stuff. I've got some Peterson picks coming also in the mail, so I haven't used those yet. Really excited for that package as well. But this gives me something to really look forward to. I'm excited to try these picks all out. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.